Now, from Western North Carolina's news leader, this is News 13 at 11.
The CDC announced new guidelines today for people who are fully vaccinated, saying they can be around others without masks if certain guidelines are met.
News 13's Caitlin Pinter talked to a local psychologist about what this means for us, especially for seniors who have been isolated.
Many seniors haven't been able to see their loved ones in person since the pandemic began. The psychologist we spoke with says this will be good for physical and mental health for seniors and their loved ones. A glimmer of hope. The CDC announced Monday that people who are fully vaccinated can hang out in person, indoors, with other fully vaccinated people without masks or social distancing. The CDC says this is also allowed for fully vaccinated people who visit unvaccinated people from a single family, as long as no one is high risk for COVID.
When I say fully vaccinated, I mean people who are 2 weeks after their second dose of either the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines, or 2 weeks after a single dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
The announcement comes after months of health officials telling people to stay apart. It's led to many assisted living facilities and nursing homes closing off completely to the public, leaving many seniors isolated from their loved ones.
My fear is, with the year of what they just went through, it couldn't have been good for their physical health.
If you're feeling trapped and isolated inside of a house, it's not going to give people the opportunity to move, and they're going to see major declines in health conditions.
Asheville psychologist Dr. Dara works with seniors in assisted living centers. She says she's seen increases in anxiety and depression among seniors. She says the news from the CDC is encouraging.
A lot of them have family that come to the windows still so they can see them. And one gentleman says to me, I asked my family to stop coming because I can't interact with them. So they're feeling much more hopeful.
But health officials, including Bushman, warn that we need to be cautiously optimistic. The CDC is still warning against large gatherings and travel, and still cautions people to wear masks in most other settings.
So if you don't know if one person in the room is not immunized, or if you're going about your business, continue to wear your masks, because we know the variants are out there.
The CDC has also taken away the quarantine requirement for those exposed to COVID who were fully vaccinated and are asymptomatic. In Asheville, Caitlin Pinter, News 13.